In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp competitor analysis. We'll walk through a simple workflow inside Selleramp, or SaaS, to understand who you're competing with on an Amazon listing, how strong they are, and whether the product is worth pursuing. Start by opening the Amazon product page you're evaluating, then launch Selleramp. Once SaaS is open, scroll to the Offers panel. This is your hub for competitor insight. Here you'll see how many sellers are on the listing, whether they're using FBA or FBM, and the prices they're offering. FBA means the seller uses Amazon's fulfillment, which often leads to faster shipping and stronger buy box eligibility, while FBM means the seller ships the item themselves. The Offers panel shows you your direct competition in one place. Next, interpret the seller count. As a rule of thumb, 10 or fewer sellers is a comfortable level of competition, 10 to 20 is moderate, and anything above 20 is considered high competition. Fewer sellers typically means a greater share of sales for each seller and a better chance to establish or maintain the buy box. Now check whether Amazon itself is a seller on the listing. If you see Amazon listed, expect tougher competition because Amazon often prices aggressively and controls a large share of the buy box. If Amazon is not present, your chances are better provided other factors also line up. From the Offers panel, click on any competitor's name to open their storefront. This lets you see how they operate at a broader level. Use the storefront search feature in SaaS. Click Search SS and review their products, the brands they carry, and the categories they focus on. You're looking for patterns that reveal what works for them. Identify their best products by noticing items that keep appearing across their catalog or multiple listings from the same brand. Consistent repetition often signals strong sellers. This helps you model winning item selection without guessing. Compare pricing next. Look at the buy box price versus the lowest price on the listing. Consider whether you can match or beat that price while staying within your target margins. Pricing discipline is a major lever in winning the buy box and maintaining sales velocity. Check stock levels when SaaS displays them. Low stock on key competitors can create short-term openings to capture the buy box, while deep stock suggests a stronger, more persistent rival. Finally, assess rotation or sales speed using BSR and Keepa. If sellers linger on the listing, demand is likely slow. If sellers rotate quickly, the product is moving fast. Keepa charts and BSR trends help you predict how intense competition will be over time. By repeating this flow in SaaS, you'll make clearer, data-backed decisions about which products and competitors to engage with.